Pam, would you like to go with me to the carnival?
Of course I would. Let's go on the rides.
Pam, you're the most smart and beautiful girl in the world.
Raymond, you're so smart, strong and handsome. I want some stuffed animals. Let's go play some games.
Not only did I win you a stuffed animal, but I'm going to build you a robot. I love you, Pam.
I love you, Raymond.